everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have day 13 of my Advent. So let us go ahead and get started, and here's day 13. And we'll go ahead and get this open and see what it says. It says, can you find the baubles? And it's a fudge bar. Please excuse my insulin pump beeping. I'm going to silence it real quick. I'm so sorry. It's going to be annoying otherwise. Okay. And our tea for today is lemon ginger, which I love lemon ginger. Lemon ginger tea. Just saying. And for the lemon ginger tea, it is 28% ginger, 24% green tea, 22% tulsi, 20% orange peel, 5% black pepper, and 1% lemon extract. And that sounds really good. Can't wait to try that. And day 13. And this is from Southern Skins. And it is very pretty. Loves the bright colors. You guys know I love the bright colors. And then we have our Paw Ply. So let's check it out. Oh, that's really nice. Look how warm and chocolatey. And here's the two together. Very pretty. So this is day 13. So I hope you guys are enjoying my Advent with me as much as I am. So here's day 13. And we will continue on. And I will see you tomorrow. I hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.